Hey everyone, thanks for joining again. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to go inside Shoppers Drug Mart and I'm going to show you all the Valentine's Day items they have for sale. They have a lot of really good stuff, so really like shopping here. Anyways, I'm just going to show it to you, and remember guys, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go check it out.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer.
Sensational double thrill stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon. Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above.